So they made me move my protest so that they could put a planter in.
I'll have to push it in from there.
Alright, so I'm actually going to help with this process. Your wheels are off the ground. Your wheels are off the ground.
You have a block?
Do I have a block? Do I have a block? Can't he move the front out? Can he move the front forks out? Yeah, no, I understand.
I just spin it on that one tire.
My question was, can't you make the front forks move out?
Further?
If come out? Nah, he's still spinning. I thought the front forks came out. Like, I thought it was protrusion. Why doesn't he offload more at the curb and then push it in?
Tilt it.
Now.
I don't know why it won't.
Can he take it off, put it on the ground, move the forks out, and pick it up from the sides and then do it? Because then it'll free.
Down by down.
Okay, right there. Now back straight out.
Even if he keeps going until he gets traction, that's fine if it pulls a little.
Yeah, try just go back to this.
As long as it doesn't come off the curb. Yeah, there you go. Good enough. Now you can push it forward. Good.
Look good?
Looks fine. The tent looked better.
What's that?
Gloves on your truck.
Oh, I have gloves in my bag. Where, you got a pair of gloves for him?
I got it right here.
Yeah, right through there. Oh.
Never mind.
Sold.
Let me get over here.
That's to save for the city. I don't know whoever left it thought it was safe. So Public Works can take it and put it in the storage. Yeah, it's just stored items. I don't know. I'll find out, I'm sure, in the next 24 hours whose it is. They're like, you got to move because there's going to be lots of crews out here and everything else, and forklifts and cranes, and they're putting in a planter, and I was like, they're pathetic.